Okay, you're going to start off by holding the deck in a straddle grip like so and break the deck into a Z grip with your right hand. Now switch the grip with the center packet with your left thumb and place this packet from your left pinky to your left thumb, so you're holding it like so. Now re-grip the center packet with your right pinky, with your left pinky over here, like so. Now you're going to break this packet with your right hand, so you're holding it like so with your ring finger and your middle, okay? And you're going to place your thumb over here and you're going to pivot this packet around your right middle like so. Now clip this packet over here once you rotate about your right middle with your right ring, and you're going to now allow the bottom packet to drop behind the packet that's between your left thumb and left index, okay? And at the same time, once you've dropped this packet over here, you're going to now re-grip the base of this packet with your right thumb. So now you're holding this packet like so in your right hand. What you're going to do now is pivot your right hand like so. So this flipped over packet is now contacting your left pinky. And what you're going to do now is you're holding the packet like so in this grip with your left thumb and with your right thumb and right index, and you're going to reach for your right middle over here, so you're holding the packet like so, this 5 of clubs packet. And now you're going to now switch grip from your left pinky to your left thumb like so, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a scissor cut over here, okay? So now this is in a scissor cut, and you're going to slide this packet with your right index on top of this packet till you get over here, and you're going to push these two packets at the same time, clipping the top packet with your right index and right middle. You're going to slide it on top of this packet, and you're going to extend this scissor cut packet like so at a right 90-degree angle, okay? And you're going to now strip this center packet, the bottom packet, with your right thumb and right index like so, keeping this packet on top without moving it. Now you're going to push your left index on top over here and allow this packet to fall on top of this packet, okay? Now you're going to close the scissor cut by placing it over here by throwing your left thumb towards your left pinky. Now clip this packet with your right index and middle, and simply going to turn over and close.